Hey guys, thanks for stopping by here at thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to get into some charts right here. We're going to take a look at Biotech, all right? This is the IBB daily chart, all right? So first and foremost, this is 3 years of action, okay? 3 years of action here for Biotechs. And what I want to point out is that we have a major trend line here, okay? It started back here, beginning of 3 years ago. And you can see how many bounces we got off of it right there. Boom, boom, there, right there. And here we are getting another bounce off of it right there. Okay? I'm going to kind of zoom in a little bit so that you can see a little bit better. So first and foremost, yes, we got a bounce off that trend line. So that is positive. Okay? We could have a little bit more room to go to the upside. I'm going to move my face just a little bit right there. But if you look here, we've got a lot of resistance above us. Okay, this is a huge support. Look at how many times it got hit. Right there. Bounce after bounce. Many, many bounces. Then we finally broke that level. And right here, we're getting a nice move to the upside. But just keep in mind that in the near term, as of the last few months, we are still in a downtrend, okay? And usually when you break this, a support level, and you go pretty deep below it, that first test, at least that first test, gets rejected, okay? So, very nice move to the upside, very nice bounce off of that trend line, but just keep in mind, if we hit about 102, 101, that is a level that most likely will see at least some sort of retracement for IBB. You have to be aware of the situation. You have to be aware of where you are on the chart. Okay, where were you previously? Where did you bounce from? Where did you get rejected at? You need to be totally aware of the situation. So once we get up to these levels, that is not the time to be pressing longs. That's the time to be cautious on IBB. It doesn't mean that it is going to get rejected, but it does mean that it's a level that you definitely need to be aware of. Okay, so again, we've got that major trend line down near these lows. If we head lower, I like it for a bounce once again against that trend line. Okay, because as we head higher, even if we tank pretty hard, 101 down to $90, that's a really good buy signal down there. So you've got two levels to play with. That major trend line on the 3-year chart right there. Okay, and then we've got that resistance up here that you definitely need to be aware of. Okay, guys? So what we're looking at right now is the portfolio tracker that all of our members get access to at thetradinganalyst.com. And I'm showing you this because, you know, we do these free videos for you guys, and it only goes so far. And you don't know, you know, is Taylor and the trading analyst and his members, are they actually making winning trades? Are they actually making money in the market? And this is to show you that we are, okay? So these are the last 12 trades that we've taken since the beginning of December. We're on a 12 trade winning streak. Okay, we don't win every trade. Okay, I'm going to get that out of the way. If you sign up and join, and the next trade that we get is a loser, we don't win every single trade, but we are on a very nice winning streak right here. 12 winning trades in a row. We trade mostly puts. Yeah, all 11 of these trades were for puts. And the most recent one was for calls. We trade with the market direction. Okay, we're not bulls, we're not bears. We don't trade only puts or only calls. We trade in the market direction. We're actually mostly long at the current moment, and all of our trades are very nicely in the green. Okay, so these are the trades. All of these trades I take personally, and I also alert to my members in real time via text message for both the buy and the sell alerts. Okay, so when you join, you're going to get access to all of those trades. So right now, I'd like to invite you to join the premium membership, and you're going to get trade alerts just like the one that I showed you. Okay, so if you're on YouTube, what I want you to do is visit us at www.thetradinganalyst.com. Visit the Join tab up at the top, and that's going to give you all of the membership options. If you're on the website here on the blog video like I'm looking at right now, what I want you to do is scroll down below this video, and you're going to see all of the things that you're going to get. Okay, we are the #1 options trading service on the planet. Why are we the #1 options trading service on the planet? Pure and simple because of the results that I get and the results that I get to my clients in a real-time basis. Okay, so what you're getting is easy to follow real-time trade alerts. Everything is super simple and easy to follow along with. I explain everything in great detail. Here's a couple of other winning trades that we recently had. If you were a member at that time, you would have been able to participate and make money on those trades. The other thing that you get, and this separates us from most of the other services out there, there's a lot of bad services out there. I get messages every single day about how bad their experiences are with other services out there. And the difference between us and other services is that first and foremost, we get real, actual results, and everything is 100% transparent here. So this is the real-time portfolio tracker. This is something that every member gets access to. All of our trades, winners, losers, break-even trades, they get uploaded to this real-time portfolio tracker. You're going to see how we're making money, when we're making money, if we're losing money. Everything is there for you to see. Okay, we don't sweep anything under the rug like a lot of other scammy services out there. We're putting everything out there for you to see. It also features the open positions so you can track those as well. Okay, you're also getting access to the video watch list. Okay, we cover everything via video because it's much easier for me to explain everything in a video format. Okay, you're also getting access to the exclusive member-only videos. All of the trade alerts that I issue to members features a video analysis alongside with it. Okay, so the reason we do that is so that you understand exactly why we took the trade, why we're putting the stop loss where it is, because every trade needs to have a stop loss, because not every trade is going to be a winner. So you need to make sure that your stop loss is very tight and close, and you're using sound risk management. We're also explaining why we're placing the profit targets where they are. And the idea here is for these videos is for you to A, become a better trader on your own. And even if you're not trying to become some winning trader on your own and you just want to rely on the service, that's totally okay too. But these videos will give you more confidence in these trade alerts because you're understanding the entire process that's going into these trades. Okay. The next thing you're getting is access to our entire video library of educational material. If you're new to options, this is going to bring you up to speed. Even if you're not new to options, it's going to bring you up to speed on how we do things, and we do things the right way. And how do I know we're doing things the right way? Well, because we're making money. Okay, and you're going to be brought up to speed on how we do things. You're also going to get access to these videos. In the videos, I explain our entire strategy that we use so that you can become a better trader on your own. Also, just gaining more confidence in these alerts. And all you got to do is scroll right down here, and you're going to see everything that you get. We have a special offer right now for the annual membership. This is the cheapest, most discounted price that we've ever offered here for the annual membership. It's just $787 for the entire year, and that is it. So click that button right there, and it's going to take you to the 100% secure checkout page right here. Enter in your name, your email, your phone number. Make sure there's a valid phone number that you can receive text messages on, because that's how you're going to get the real-time buy and sell signals. Choose a password and then enter in your billing information right here, or you can choose to check out with PayPal. Click that button there and then click this button there, and it's going to take you to PayPal's 100% secure checkout page. It's totally up to you whether you want to use credit card, debit card, or PayPal. It's just your preference. Once you do that, click this button right there and you're going to get instant access to everything that I talk about today. Most importantly, you're getting those winning trades that's going to help you be consistently profitable in the market. It's all about consistent profitability, okay? And that's what you're going to get when you join here, the Trading Analyst Premium membership. So I hope that you make that decision, and I'm excited to help you make money in the market, and I'm excited to see you join and see you in there. So I'll see you guys in there.